Whop vs Launchpass, which paid community is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which paid community platform is better among Whop and Launchpass. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Whop. Whop provides extensive customization options, allowing you to build a community that fits your brand and goals. It includes strong monetization tools, making it simple to charge for memberships, content, or services. Whop integrates its own payment system, streamlining transactions for both you and your members. You can white label the platform, giving your community a unique and professional look. It also offers advanced analytics tools, helping you track user engagement and revenue. However, WAP has a learning curve which might be tough for beginners. Setting up your community can take time, especially if you want to explore all the customization options. WAP's pricing can be higher, which might be a concern for smaller communities. Now, let's come towards Launchpass. Launchpass integrates directly with Discord, making it easy to create paid communities through an existing platform. It offers a simple setup process so you can get your community up and running quickly. Launchpass provides easy access control, ensuring that only paid members can join private Discord channels. It also offers subscription management tools, automating the payment process for creators. Launchpass features an affiliate program, helping you reward members who bring in new users. However, customization is more limited compared to WAP's extensive options. Launchpass is heavily dependent on Discord, so any Discord issues could impact your community. Pricing can become expensive, especially as your community grows. Choosing between WAP and Launchpass depends on your needs. WAP offers deep customization and monetization options, ideal for creators who want control over their community. Launchpass is easy to set up and works well if you're already using Discord. Consider the level of customization, setup time, and budget when deciding which is right for you. That's all for the video.